Gold, after getting the resistance at 2005, which I have told several times in last few weeks is a good resistance, has come back to its next support levels at 1980, and this is again a very strong support. It means this is trying to trade in range. At the same time, silver has seen a good breakout, went close to 26, but then has seen a good reversal and now got the support at 2480. Now, what to expect today, which position you should take trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. And yes, you can be part of my free Telegram channel where you get the live market updates. Join that also. Link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. See, on the hourly chart, 1980 definitely a very good support, and any move below 1978, yes, you can sell there, and possibly see after this good breakout, it is consolidating. A breakout here will take it till towards 1970 72 levels. 1970, the next support level. Below that, yes, there is lot much downside which it might cover. Now if you look at the movement, rise, you can see this rise, drop, rise, drop, rise, drop, rise, drop, and now back in the zone. So it has to come out of this zone in order to confirm the trade here. Hence, any move below 1970, just stay short. Stochastic looking down, and MACD is bearish. RSI is also not indicating much. Now look at 2-hour chart. See, higher lows, higher highs, but this is retracement after these red candles here, and hence any breakout below 1980 or 1978 levels should be a good entry point for you on the downside. Stochastic at bottom trying to rise. MACD is also trading at bottom, and this is third crossover here for sell. RSI almost flat here too, and if you look at 3-hour charts, again sideways movement. So nothing different from what we saw, but one more important thing here on the 3-hour charts is the stochastic, which is trading oversold as of now. The MACD is also at bottom. Now see, first of all I will tell you the breakout levels. See, any point of time if you see it trading above 1970, yes, stay short below that, and any point of time if you see it trading above 2010 and 2020 levels, just stay long above that. It has taken a direction and it is going to fly high or break down if it breaks these two levels. So first note that. Second is, right now if you see on the 3-hour chart, see, it is possibly higher lows are done. Possibly this might reverse and try to retrace a little. How far it can go? It can try to go till towards 1988-90 levels. Stochastic is oversold here. MACD is bearish. It can probably converge. RSI is flat here too. And if you look at the 4-hour, likewise on the 4-hour charts, similar is the observation. Any breakdown below 78, just sell there and wait for it to break past 70, and below that certainly more bearishness will prevail. However, right now it is possibly going to reverse and we might see 1986 1990 levels. Now what could be a safe entry to buy? In 1992 you can buy, but then remember 1995, 2000, 2005 till 2005, and then anyways 2010-20 levels are there, but till 2005 it has got very good resistance. Then I will look back to 2010. Yes, you can buy here at 1992 levels. However, be very cautious till 2010-2020 levels. It can reverse any point of time. We have seen that yesterday, we can see it again today, and hence you have to strictly put the trailing stop loss. Stochastic on the 4-hour charts is also oversold. MACD is also bearish. RSI is flat. Now if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, yet again consolidation, lot much of consolidation, precisely still very much in zone, waiting for that breakout either which ways. It has achieved the highs, it has achieved the lows there too. So now today, if it, as I said, we need to wait for a breakout. If it happens today, it's fine, else it may show you good swings again. To enjoy the swings, I will see, first of all, let's see stochastic looking down and MACD is bearish. RSI is also trying to trade with a bearish slope. So a sell entry at 1978 is confirmed. More bearishness below 1970, that is also confirmed. Below 1970, we are going to look at 1960, 1940 levels. And on the upside, you can buy here at, in fact, 1986 is a good entry point, but then you have to be cautious for, see, 88, 92, these two levels, and then 95. And yes, this is a good resistance zone, and it has to stay above these levels in order to confirm a rise. Beyond that, we can expect 2005, 2010, the next strongest resistance. So if it successively breaks these levels, we can definitely see this is a long day ahead. We are going to have almost 16 to 18 hours, and now Europe session will be there, then US session will bring volatility, and hence good swings might be there. But then those who want to risk a little can buy at 86. However, you have to strictly put a trailing stop loss, and at least put a stop loss at cost such that you can profit. So trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art, you can join our mentorship program. The 22nd batch now will start in first week of June. Register yourself. Now itself limited seats are available. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals, definitely you can profit. Reach out to me via Telegram or email. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now silver on the hourly chart, see it is shown 3 to 4 red candles here. And see the previous candle had a very good tail, possibility of a reversal, but then a rise only if you see it trading about 25.05 and 25.10. If these two levels are taken, certainly we can see a very good rise. Now you can see yesterday it has shown a stronger breakout and then erased all the gains here. So it has eaten away some of the positions. Those who were on sell has eaten away, and stop losses must be hit. Now it has come back to its normal levels. So does this mean that it is going to break below? We have to wait here. We have to wait for it to stay below 2480, which is a very good support. Below 2480 till 2450, it has got you have to put a 10 cents trailing stop loss. Remember, stop loss is your friend, and trailing stop loss, always shift your stop losses to by the distance you put in. Also, you can at least put the stop loss at cost once you have seen that it is trading with a distance margin from your entry price, let's say 10 cents. So definitely putting the stop loss at cost at least preserves your capital. Stochastic at bottom, MACD bearish, RSI flat, and if you look at 2-hour chart, similar is the observation. It is back in the box. It has given a breakout back in the box. Yes, 2005, 2010, 2020, these three levels, once successfully it breaches, certainly it is going to be considered as bullish. You can buy at 25.05. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI flat, and similarly the same observation we have on the 3-hour charts as well. Now the highs, if it continues to rise, is going to be at 25.40. Oversold stochastic is a sign that possibility of a reversal exists, but MACD is again turned bearish. It is trading with a divergence. If you look at 4-hour charts, see successive red candles here, and it is trying to trade in this zone. Possibly once it stays about 25.05, we may see 25.20 and 25.40 levels. Again, oversold stochastic is a sign possibility of a rise exists. Maybe it can sustain couple of candles, but then it might bounce back or at least recover a little. MACD is again bearish, RSI is flat, and look at the daily. Now see, on the daily charts, lower lows are done. It is still bearish. Once it stays above 25.05, it may try to rise at least to 25.15, 25.20 levels, and possibly if it stays further bullish, 25.40 is the maximum resistance. I told you yesterday also. Beyond 25.40, 25.60 zone, we are going to look at a very good rise, which might take it for 25.80, $26 levels, and double top might be seen. Stochastic looking down, MACD bearish, RSI looking down. Considering that, you can sell today at 24.80 levels and buy at 25.05. Do not trade in between these levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.